Swaddy Cup. I'm the Legend of Israel, and today we're going to talk about guard. I like to teach my students the traditional Muay Thai stance with the traditional Muay Thai guard. That is the way they're going to compete. Although, if they're training not for compete, then I will teach them Muay Thai. I get a lot of students who are ex-boxers, or they train in boxing and then they want to transition to Muay Thai. I have to reposition their arms and I have to tell them why. So I will tell you now what's going on here. All right, so traditional, we've got the high guard. I have my knuckles, I have my thumbs locking my fingers, and I'm marching and I'm just letting them float up and down. This is good for distraction and also keeps you loose. If they throw a long hook on either side, I can go ahead and block. And I also have defense because my elbows are out in case they want to come in and try to do a knee, or they want to engage in elbow combat. And to protect your ribs. So in boxing is very important. You want to keep them in, okay? Protect those ribs. But in Muay Thai, if we keep our elbows out diagonally, we don't keep them out like this, diagonally. That way we can catch a kick, be ready to catch a kick, okay? And also to deliver the elbows, all right? And we can still strike, keeping our elbows here. When someone does kick, for example, in Muay Thai, you know, I don't like to catch the kick. If the kick is a high kick, my elbow's already here, I'm just gonna puncture the shin with my elbow. It hurts really, really bad. Now, if someone comes at me in a boxing stance, like this, and their elbows are in, they look like this from the side, what I'm going to aim for is their arm completely. I want to break their arm or their forearm. So they're just like this. When I deliver a kick, it's just like a bat. Because I have no fear in kicking that arm. If he's in a boxing guard, I'm going to kick that arm. I want to break that arm. There's nothing there that I fear. The elbow is in. If the elbow was out, now I have something to fear. I don't want to kick and try to break his arm if the elbow is out. All he has to do is that. And now I have injury to my shin, and it may keep me from continuing any further on my aggression. Recently in the UFC fight, Alex's opponent, all right, he got a nice right to his jaw. Simple 101 foundations, okay? Block. But if you're not used to the high guard, you're not gonna block anything that's coming this way. A lot of fighters feel that they are fast enough, so they keep their hands down like this. Opponent comes in like this, or like this, okay? You know he's got some setups in his head. Beat him down, break him down, finish with the high kick. If your opponent comes in like this, know he understands that your high kicks are a weapon, and he probably has high kicks too. So you better keep your high guard up, all right? Boxing guard during a Muay Thai fight, no good. I'm telling you, your arm is gonna get fractured, your forearm, or right here, even worse. I've seen fighters against the ropes, just like this, protecting their ribs, because they're just getting attacked with the body. So they protect the ribs. But an advanced Muay Thai fighter is gonna say, no problem, protect your ribs. I'm gonna fracture your arm. Keep your elbows out a little bit. Not like that, just at a diagonal, okay? Wanna make sure you can protect the sides of your head. Get ready for those high kicks. I make this content to try to help you protect yourself, not only in the ring, but outside of the ring. Simple moves can save your life. Be strong in Muay Thai. And as always, Gap